Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh, I gotta shoot this video. I'm gonna call you back, okay? Alright, bye. What is good, YouTube? It is Flacko here, back with another video. Today we are gonna be doing an unboxing. Not an issue. Give me a moment. Not an issue either. On this shoe. This shoe right here. Wow. After all the trials and errors and trying to do magic with all these different shoes, I finally got it right. We're going to be doing the unboxing today on the Retro Concord 11th. I am happy to say that I took a delayed W on, and I'm happy that I got it. And if I could, I would like to thank my bank, the internet, and God. Because without you, this would not be possible. Because I took an L when the Concords came out in 2012. Was it 2012? I think it was 2012 or 2011. I don't know the year, but I know I took a huge L. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas Eve, everyone, before we even get started. And like I said, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Dislike, hate, tell a friend, don't tell a friend, do whatever you want. Let's just go ahead and unbox these shoes. I got the shoes off the sneakers app, and it actually took probably like maybe 4 days to get to me. But because of the holiday season, and these are sneakers, and this is America, and people love to steal, it's no telling what could possibly happen when you're trying to order something and get it shipped to your house, because I don't trust my FedEx or UPS or any post office man or anybody that is delivering a package. This is a basic ass box. Paid $220 for a basic box. The Space Jams that I got probably like 2-3 years ago, the boxing was way better. They should have just did the box a little bit better, made it a little bit doper. This is just a basic box. And on the basic box, if you see the actual size right here, I am an 8 in men's. So let's just go ahead, open up the box. Here we have them. Looks like any other Retro 11s. These are just the Concords, and it will have the number 45 on the back, comparing to the Space Jams that had the 45. I think that was the only two shoes. The Space Jams and the Concords now have the 45 because that was Jordan's other number when he came out of retirement to play again. See the patent leather on there. Seems very similar. Bro, is this a creasing? I feel like the shoe has been creased already and I haven't even wore it. There is most definitely a creasing on here. What the f? Taking a look at the shoe. Have the patent leather on there. The sole is gonna be white, and then the gum on the shoe is gonna be that nice transparent blue that everybody loves so much. On the bottom of the shoe, you will see the Jumpman in the middle, and also you have the purple on there for the Concord. The Concord purple, Concord blue. Laces are gonna be the same. This is definitely a delayed W that was most definitely worth the delay, and I'm happy that I got it. Salute to Jordan, because he's continuing to re-release shoes that only get cheaper and cheaper as they continue to release, but they only get more expensive as he releases them. So the shoe is a cheap ass shoe when they make it, but because of the hype beast, everything else, youngins are coming up and they're like, I want the Jordan, I want this, I want that. But, you know, as long as they have it, nobody really cares about the quality of the shoe. I think they could have did a better job with the leather on here. The actual white on here looks like an icy blue white on the shoe, but it is what it's gonna match the gum of the shoe. So it's not much complaining to it. This is my unboxing and my review reaction to the actual shoe. I'm happy that I got it, but it's a little bit trash. It's a cheaper material comparing to all the other shoes. But Jordan's gonna keep on getting cheaper and cheaper, and Nike's gonna keep making money off us because we still want to buy the shoe, and I will definitely agree to that because I'm gonna continue to buy shoes. I do appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Dislike, hate it, love it, tell a friend to tell a friend. Call me, text me, do whatever, drop your comments. Do whatever you need to do and let me know what you think about the video. And also let me know if you got the Retro 11s, what you think about them. Do you think it's worth it? Or do you think it's like an easy pass? Let me know.